A sneeze is a powerful, protective reflex designed to expel irritants from your body at speeds that can reach up to 160 kilometers per hour. When you try to stifle this process by pinching your nose and closing your mouth, the massive pressure generated has nowhere to go and is forced inward. This extreme internal pressure increase can lead to several serious risks, including ruptured eardrums, damage to blood vessels in the neck and brain, and even, though incredibly rare, the theoretical possibility of rupturing the small capillaries in your eyes so severely it could cause the eyeballs to dislocate or appear to pop out. For safety, it is always best to allow the sneeze out, covering your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow.